Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Henderson County and central Texas, Kaufman County in north central Texas, until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottonwood, Oregon, 10 miles northeast of Ennis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cottonwood around 5:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Grays Prairie around 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Kaufman and Kemp around 5:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rosser, Paine Springs, Oak Ridge, Lawrence, Oak Grove, and Post Oak Bend City. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 486 and 511. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.